Accompanied by the First Lady Janet Museveni, President Museveni commenced his assessment on wealth creation and PDM in Ankole sub-region on Tuesday this week, and this successfully ended with a meeting with the leaders from Ankole and Kigezi sub-regions at Kyamate Secondary School. The president urged the people of Ntungamo District to identify 300 acres of land for the establishment of a factory to manufacture industrial charcoal.
Konkati abahiru kuba yizire baja mwaga makara ganyu tugene mani agemiti katukozese amakara aga coal amakara go muitaka biba kweta coal kandi kuni tustugine so mwana to ababa abasega z'abantu muri n'abantu bato bo bagize ngo itotereza square mahiri 15 tuyingiyemo emiti tukora amakara gemiti tujaga kozesa gukora ebyoma.
Regarding the issue of wealth creation, President Museveni urged the people of Ntungamo to focus on the main issue of fighting poverty in their households through wealth creation, which is done via commercial agriculture, manufacturing, services and ICT. Commenting on the challenge of accessing affordable animal feeds, President Museveni promised to follow up with the National Enterprise Corporation (NEC) and a commercial arm tasked with making animal feeds for chickens, pigs and fish. He underscored the importance of irrigation, using water from swamps to ensure sustainable production, rather than misusing the swamps to grow crops such as rice and cabbages.
Omusoga nagamba nti akange kakira kaife awoko enguto korasi amashanyarazi ebyona n'entunguka development entunguka ne yatwena kunga kandi obworo n'obwawe omukayawe personal so nabwekyo enguto ntuje kwikora konko garuka hinyuma tukakununkira abantu musime tukakununkira ba apiyo mukishobora abantu bitu bakyetegereza niyo nkora enungi okukira ofukugenda n'enguto abantu bari.
The president's proposal was also supported by the First Lady Janet Museveni.
I believe that Ntungamo people would take up this challenge and do a good job of it. But we need to sit together at another venue and discuss this properly and agree on what we can do with this offer. And as the others, of course, as the other districts also discuss their own project.
The proposal followed a presentation by Jatin Patel, Chief Executive Officer of Abessian Group, informed the President and the meeting that the company is seeking 10,000 acres of land, approximately 15 square miles, to plant trees and establish a factory for producing industrial charcoal, a key component in the final production of steel.
We had a fruitful discussion about manufacturing pig iron from charcoal. What we would do is manufacture industrial charcoal in a disciplined, organized way, such that we can make liquid steel within this region.
Residents had mixed reactions regarding the proposal.
Obaragamba acres zibaragamba bo bagire ngo bayenda ku emite ibalenda omukiga no munyankora rabahemiti. So what niyo kinda kukolere Patel no kuguma ndakubabura muri yo cyoconga
mbashiko oriyo no yenda ngutube oriyo no twongera akasente ngututunguke tugire sede ababija bakahinga itito tukorechi.
Launched in 2022, the Parish Development Model (PDM) aims to enhance service delivery and boost household incomes by directly supporting Ugandans through their parish circles. John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.